A rolled ring can look close to the finished component, but the machining allowance begins long before the ring reaches a lathe. This footage shows a ring rolling operation as process context. It does not identify the alloy, heat number, order, or acceptance result. For a titanium ring inquiry, those details still have to be connected to the purchase order and controlled records. During ring rolling, the workpiece is formed between rolls. Its diameter increases while the wall and height are managed through the selected route. The important buyer point is not to judge the finished dimensions from the video. The useful question is how the supplier will move from the starting blank to the ordered delivery condition. That route starts with the finished drawing. State the final outside diameter, inside diameter, wall, height, corner radii, datum features, and any areas that cannot tolerate cleanup loss. A near-net ring for finish machining is a different supply item from a rough ring that will receive substantial machining on every surface. Machining allowance should not be treated as one convenient number. Radial stock on the outside diameter, stock on the bore, axial stock on the faces, and local stock around difficult features may serve different purposes. The machine shop also needs enough material to establish clean datums and remove the agreed surface condition without losing the finished geometry. The starting geometry matters because it affects the forming plan and the amount of material that later becomes chips. Too much stock adds weight, machining time, and cost. Too little stock can leave no room to clean up surface variation or establish the required concentricity. The right allowance comes from the real drawing and process review, not from a generic table. Delivery condition is another RFQ decision. Identify the applicable material specification and revision, alloy or grade, heat treatment condition when required, and whether the ring is supplied as forged, rough machined, or finish machined. Do not assume that a grade name defines the dimensional condition. Inspection scope should follow the ordered state. Dimensional inspection on a rough ring answers a different question from inspection after machining. If ultrasonic testing, surface examination, mechanical testing, or additional records are required, state the method, acceptance criteria, sampling, and report format in the purchase order. Traceability connects the process to the material. Ask how the ring identification links to the heat or lot, the material test report, the manufacturing records, and any additional inspection reports. Workshop footage helps explain the route, but it is not the traceability chain. A useful rolled ring RFQ includes the finished drawing, proposed delivery dimensions, machining allowance by surface, material specification and grade, delivery condition, quantity, inspection scope, document list, and packing requirements. Buy a defined ring blank, not only an outside diameter. When the drawing, allowance, condition, and evidence are clear, the supplier can quote the actual manufacturing route instead of guessing what the finished ring must become.